Hello to all my children. So, this is Christmas time. We need Christmas trees, we need Christmas stars. What else do we need? Why Christmas cards? To send to our friends, our relatives, to show that we are thinking of them during this Christmas season. So to add beauty and to add thought, I thought we should learn about how to make a beautiful Christmas card. I will help you make a Christmas card like this. See, isn't it a pretty one? So we are making this today. Now I'm going to show you what we'll need for this Christmas card. So you can use any colored card or colored paper you like to make this card. So I have taken this piece of paper and folded it into half. And then I'm going to use a piece of paper like this also. Now remember, it can be any color, maybe green, maybe red. It depends on what you would like. So draw around onto the paper so that you get a triangle that looks like a Christmas tree. Paste it in the middle, paste it onto the middle of your card. So depending on the size of your card, I believe this is the size that I should paste. Okay, so I believe we need to decorate it, but you can use anything you like. I mean, you can even use golden colored or any other color actually that you prefer. Fabric paint or tube, you can draw different beautiful things, or even crocheted lace or anything you can use actually. I am using glitter paper like this, and by cutting out little stripes, I'm going to paste onto the Christmas tree. Now don't cut out really thick stripes. Make them as thin as possible. Make them as narrow as possible, because it'll then look nice on your tree. So my stripes are about 1/2 centimeter in width, and let's just keep it and see what the size is like that we need, and see whether we can paste on another stripe, on another colored stripe. So if you have earlier pieces of paper, if you haven't discarded them, you can even try pasting them. Okay, so just get a rough idea about the length of the stripes that you need. So see, I'm not trying to keep them straight. I'm just trying to see the length. Now I'm taking the silver colored paper. Again, the same sized stripes I'm going to cut out from the silver colored paper. So before pasting, it's quite good to see how these stripes will work on the Christmas tree. So keep it like that, move it around a bit, see whether it fits. Let's see if this also fits. Yes. Okay. Now let's paste this. You have to be careful, so don't paste while on the card itself. Okay, so what we have to do is first take this Christmas tree onto a different piece of paper or a different sort of surface, and let's start pasting on this or sticking these glitter paper onto it. You can have them straight, the stripes, but I actually like it in a bit of a slanted way. So if you have little pieces, you can stick them anywhere you like in a very artistic manner. Now we have to cut off all those excess little parts, right? So cut along the edge so that there are no little stripes sticking out from the tree. You understand, right? Make sure that the tree isn't being cut. Okay, so now our Christmas tree is more or less formed. So now our Christmas, can you see in my earlier card? It's as if the Christmas tree is embossed. So for this we need double tape. Let's take a small piece like this. You can have several. Turn it around and paste it like this so that it'll lift off of the surface. Okay, when we paste it back onto the card. Position it carefully and press it in. See, doesn't it look like a real Christmas tree when you use double tape? Then let's take a little piece of red paper or red glitter paper and make the trunk. It should be a bit bigger and thicker. Make sure that a little edge goes underneath the tree. Now we can make this pretty using anything that you have. Like I brought stars today. So can you see? We can paste these stars also using double tape. You have to be careful to get a small piece of double tape, otherwise it'll look ugly because it might show outside of the star and it's not going to look nice. Okay, so that's there we have the star on the top of the tree. And any amount of stars in any place you want, you can paste onto or stick onto the card. And look, now we have our card finalized. Now you can write a beautiful verse or a wish on the inside of the card. Don't forget to make lots of cards like this and to send your friends and your family members, relatives. They'll be so glad to get a card made by you wishing them for Christmas. Subscribe to us so that you can learn about new creations whenever they are out. Let's make more of these in the future. See you soon.